I've learned to dream with my eyes open. When I see it, I get exposed to it, I want to be it. You don't have to be famous to do any and everything that you want to do in your life. Get out of this mind state of, I ain't shit unless I got money. Get out of this mind state of, I have no hope. I should stop just dreaming and having visions and ideas about my life and my career because I don't have it financially. Don't allow what you're working with in your actual bank account to stop you from dreaming and hoping and wishing big. If I'm not an actor in the movie, or an actress, or a model, or the director, I ain't shit.
It's possible that you can live your dream. It doesn't matter if you don't have a dime in the bank. It's possible.
Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, godlike feature that only the special among us will ever taste. It's something that truly exists in all of us.
Stop giving power to celebrity. Stop giving power to being the person on camera. Stop giving all the power to money. Continue to dream big. Continue to have hopes, ambition.
There's a certain delusional quality that all successful people have to have.
You've got something special. You've got greatness in you.